Stay and subscribe for kitchen cash hacks. Your recipes are gold. Join our free training in the description about digital products and how they work. There's a funny feast ahead. Meet Sam, a chef who tried selling cupcakes online. He ate more than he sold, and the shipping ate up the rest of his profits. So he decided to whip up a $32 vegan baking ebook, served it on Instagram, and automated the sales. Now he's baking in $2,200 a month, less frosting, and more fortune. Your kitchen's next. Want to make money online, but it's a kitchen disaster? Tried selling crafts or ads? Are you stumped on what to sell and your tech skills are kind of a mess? Well, let's clean that up. Let's cook up cash with digital products. And here's the recipe. First, mix your talent. Love gardening or music? Make a guide or a course. Tech support helps you stir it in. Second, serve the crowd. Use Pinterest pins or emails to sell. Automate the feast. Set sales on autopilot for almost a 90% profit while you eat. Beat the cupcake flop. Solve problems and cash in. Hungry for cash? Our free training in the description cooks up digital product success. I could taste it now. You know, we've burned a lot of meals trying to make money online. Many times it was a total kitchen chaos, but we persevered, and now we want to help you. Our digital product system with tech support works, and we're here to serve you. Real cooks, real cash. Ready to cash in? Well, grab our free training in the description to create, sell, and automate your digital product. Like, subscribe, and let's feast on the riches. See you in the next video.